Good morning. Look at all the little babies. Everybody wants something, huh? Who is that? What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Yeah, I got something for you. Come on. Hey, right here. Why are you chasing him on? Come on. Oh, who's that one? Who's that? Here you go. You don't take it from me? Alright, yeah. Friday morning. See all the leaves are down. It's fall. Squirrels are all sleeping. Maybe. A bunch of them are out. There was some on my screen in my window. Squirrels have been at the back door a lot. Since we don't have as many pecans, the squirrels have been knocking at the back door, messing with the cats. It's been pretty funny. We gotta get more pecans tomorrow. I think we got about 6 pounds left. That ain't nothing. At $4.50 a pound. I mean, easily spent between Friday to this week on pecans alone. Maybe about 150. That's just the pecans. And this is harvest season, but the problem with that is our donations come in generally after the harvest, and they figure out the pecans that they can sell and the ones they can't sell. So we're having to wait. The squirrels, but they aren't as patient. All right, here you go, buddy. I got a nice one for you. Come on, come on, come on. All right, here you go. It's a good one. So they've been coming up at the back door, chasing each other off. Yeah. Ain't none of them starving. We put out lots of peanuts too. I mean, we've easily spent another 100 on peanuts in the past week, 150 on pecans, maybe another 50 in sunflower seeds and the bird seeds. So 300 in a week. And we probably got to get through about a month before we get another shipment of donated pecans, hopefully. My friend over at Lane Southern Orchard said give him about a month. Hopefully, again, it's all up to them if they got a bunch that they can't sell. So we do what we can for the animals. And then we got, our 4 cats and our alley cats. So yeah, it's our thing, but gotta spend 1,000 or 1,200 a month on the animals. That's what we do. Make it happen, make it work. run any fundraisers yet. I haven't gotten started yet with that. I need to figure out to get a LinkedIn, I guess a Cash App or something on here on YouTube if anybody wanted to donate. Everything we do is strictly for the animals. If anybody wanted to help, that would be awesome. I go out and try and get as many donations as possible from the companies. And, they've been great. I mean, I've gotten some companies give me returns. Of course, Lane Southern Orchard gave us £3,000 donation, and the biggest one we've ever had. So we've been blessed in getting help from the companies. But now, as we see, with nothing coming in right now, it becomes quite expensive. And it's so hard to say no to these little guys. See, they come up to you like, come on, man. Here you go, here you go. I got you one. I got you one. Here you go. Oh, another one. You see me again? All right, come here. Come on. Come on, little boy. Here you go. Oh, there's a line of them. You see? All right, here you go. Let me see. I got another one. Here. Here you go. I loaded up my pocket. So peaceful out here right now. I should be out working, but I've been experimenting with some nootropics, and I tried something new today, Elevate by Avantera, and I didn't have a good reaction to it. My breathing kind of got a little labored, and they said that could be a reaction, an allergy to mushrooms. I don't know that I have an allergy to mushrooms, but my breathing became very shallow after taking it this morning, and I guess Elevate's not for me. Hey, what's up, little guy? Look at he's a little guy. His tail's still growing, and here you go, buddy. Oh, look how cute this one is. Here you go. Here you go. His tail's just growing and filling in. There are lots of babies out here. What do I got left? I got about 4 left in my pocket. And this is actually pretty mild because it's about 11:20 in the morning, and generally the rush is between 7 and 10. And we're giving out probably 4 or 5 pounds of pecans, and probably about 2 pounds of peanuts. Hit a gun range. I hope it's the gun range. Just simply beautiful out. Oh, there's a couple more coming. Come on, guys. We got 4 left. Who wants one? Here you go. Come on. Come on. I got one for you, buddy. Come on. Who is that? Here you go. All right. Yeah. Come on. Oh, they're lining up now. Come on. Next in line. Oh, who's coming over here? Who is that? Oh, that's one of our guys. Oh, is that you, Stormy? Come here. Come here, baby. No. No, I think that's Stormy's baby. Oh, little Stormy's baby. Yeah, come here. All right. 1 second here. Come here. Yeah. Come on, you take it out of my hand? No? Okay, you're nervous about it? All right, here. She looks just like Stormy. All right, we got 2 left. We got 2 left, guys. Now I gotta go in. Who wants them? Come on, you. I see you standing up there. Come on. Come on. Yep. Come on. Oh, who are you chasing? Why are you chasing? Come on, guys. Uh-oh. Now you got too many. Who's that coming? Who's that coming? Is that Stormy? Let me see. Come here. No. See, that Stormy's got a lot of babies. Here, here. All right, here you go. Here you go. All right. All right, I got 1 left. Here we go. We got a winner. Come on. Oh, you didn't see me throw it? Come on, it's right here on the ground. I'm just gonna pick it up. Oh, you're chasing each other. What are you guys doing? Come on. Okay. Well, we got 1 more left. Who's the lucky winner? Over here, guys. Over here. Come on. Come on. I got 1 left, guys. There's nothing up there, guys. It's empty. Come on, guys. All right. There's too many of you coming now. I'm going to throw this one here. There you go. All right, guys. I'm going to hit in. There's plenty of food out there. You guys buried it.